This is a project that I made over $20 and I was able to withdraw it live and direct. Now, as you can see right over here, I currently have over 41 referrals on this particular project, but I'm going to explain to you guys the easy side of this project and how to basically make money from it. As from my previous video, I had a very interesting comment and also hate comment from people, but I'm going to actually show you guys some comments like this. So I'm going to basically explain to you guys how to basically make money on this kind of project. This is basically a Litecoin daily income project where you make money and you can place withdrawal 100% free. There is no stress about it. I'm going to show you guys my simple secret on how I was able to make that amount of money, but I'm going to also teach you guys how to basically do this same step for yourself. If for instance you're new to this kind of project, all right, you don't need money, but from the start you're actually going to need money. That's the painful part about it. Now, as a new user, the initial amount you're going to be claiming from this menu is a very small amount. All right, your daily claim is going to be a very small amount, and that is why I said you need money. All right, because what you're actually going to be claiming from here is a small amount of money unless you get to increase your level. Now, by increasing your level, you have bigger opportunities to make bigger amount of money. All right, and that is where your money comes in. So basically, you need at minimum $10 to $20 to kickstart this, and for you to be able to do this, you have to fund your account. All right, you have to fund your account with $10 to $20. Now, by funding your account, you're only going to be playing games, and these games are going to help you increase your level. So this kind of project, they are very strict to some extent, and also you can make a whole lot of money from it if you use it wisely. But I'm going to teach you guys the wide side of this, and that was how I was able to make some decent amount of money from other projects I've actually used similar to this. All right, so this particular project, I was able to make money from it. I also leave the link of this particular project for you guys in the description. I've also been able to do my daily claim for today as well. All right, so if you check on the wallet option right over here, you're going to see right here that I've actually been able to withdraw 0.18 Litecoin from here, and I'm still going to be able to make another withdrawal. So my initial balance is right over here right now. But let's head back straight to today's project, the one I want to share with you guys. All right, so every single process of you making money from here is very simple, and I'm going to teach you guys how to do this with ease. All right, like I told you guys, you need small amount of money to kickstart this. So the first thing is that you have to come to the wallet option, and then you have to fund your account. So once you are able to make a funding deposit into your account, come to the dashboard and then come over here, do your daily claim. All right, then from here, what you're going to be doing next is for you to go to the game session. Now from the game session, you have options to play simple games. Now this is the only simple game that I can recommend to anybody. The rest of the games are very hard. All right, you can play this, but it's very hard. But I'm also still going to share with you guys how I was able to play this to make money for myself, but I'm going to share with you guys how to play this. So by clicking on the dice, you have options to select the amount you basically want to input. So if you have $10 for instance, and you basically want to input $10 into your account, let's say I have about 0.8 or 0.1 Litecoin available in my account. Once you convert your USDT to Litecoin, you're going to know the equivalent in dollars. So once I input the amount right over here, my profit on wins are going to be displayed. All right, and also you're going to see right here roll over to win, and you can see profit payout, and also my win chance is very high. Now what I'm going to do is to drag this and keep it right on this angle, and then I'm going to click on the row. Now with your $10, you can gradually start moving your levels, because the more you play these games, the more you get to increase your level, and the more you increase your level, the more you get to claim free big amount of Litecoin. So what you basically can do right now is for you to claim this twice and wait for the next 2 hours to 3 hours, because you're actually going to be able to claim this how many times in a row. All right, so you can click on the claim and then wait for it. Let me just do a simple demonstration for you guys. All right, so my initial balance right now is about 0.00012 Litecoin. All right, so let me quickly type down this number that you're basically seeing right now. Let me copy this number right from here. I'll copy it and then I'm going to paste it right on this spot. All right. So let me paste it right here. This is the easiest way you can actually copy and paste your number right on this spot. Now, what I'm going to do is to click on row. Once you land first one, click on row again. Once you land second time, you have to wait for the next 2 hours. Now, basically, the initial amount I'm using to play this right now is a very small amount. But if you have $10, you're going to know the equivalent amount. So once it lands on it, you're going to be seeing right over here that you have played two times in a row. You have to wait for like 2 hours or 1 hour for the whole system to reset. Then all you have to do is to basically go around, and if you want to participate on surveys, you can participate on surveys. All right, surveys can be available for you if you are using either VPN or if you're basically in a good region where you can get surveys. And their surveys are very, very interesting. You can participate on some of their surveys and also kickstart and start making some few amount of money for yourself while you wait. All right. Now, once your timer loads out, you come back and you repeat the same step again. Sometimes you can do it once, sometimes you can do it twice. And mind you, if you are scared of using the whole $10, you can use like $5 and do that. If you can do this 3 to 4 times in a day, every single day, your level automatically gets to increase. And then the free amount of Litecoin you're going to be earning from the free faucet session automatically gets to increase for you. All right. So the more you get to increase your free Litecoin level, the more you are basically going to be able to like earn bigger amount every single day. So once you're able to earn bigger amount every single day, you can place withdrawal and get your funds straight up into your account. Now, this is the easiest way you can start with this particular project and make something for yourself. While on the other hand, a lot of people have the opportunity to share their invite link to any group, to any pages on Facebook or on any platform, and still yet they refuse to. Now, basically, if you refer someone to this particular project, all right, it mustn't be referrals to generate your money, but referrals still get to add up to your money. But how do you basically get to bag this money without even a single referral? That is why I explained the first step for you guys. Now, the second step is for you to use referral. The referral is basically like a second hand for you to make money from this particular project, and you can get to pull out extra income with sharing your invite link. Now, the whole scenario of referrals on this particular project is for you to bag a lot of communities on your own account. And on the other hand, referring people to this particular project is as safe as anything. You don't need to basically deposit to like start seeing small income, but it will take you time for you to see income without taking some simple steps. So these are the simple steps that I'm trying to explain to you guys right now. All right, you have options to take out service, you have options to deposit to play games, and at the same time you still have options to refer. So these are like simple tasks you can do on this particular project. And if by any chance you want to basically like follow up with any other steps, you can go ahead and do research. Now, for the person that actually commented on my last video, I will say you are really pissed off because you don't really make money from here, because you don't know the secrets to basically making money from here. A lot of people know one or two things on this particular project that they are currently using for themselves, and as long as this particular project get launched immediately, they know where to post their own link, they know how to basically share it out, they know what to basically do for them to be able to make money. If you watch this video to this very extent, please make sure to comment down below, and also make sure to drop a like on this particular video. Remember, it's your boy Crypto Alpha, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Peace out.